Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys one of the units that we have on sale. This is a 2018 Wells Cargo 8.5 by 20 plus a V. So this trailer gives you an 8.5 22 total in a two-tone exterior. And again, it's the Wells Cargo name. They've got a great name for themselves. They build a great trailer, 3-year factory warranty. This one's stock number 14163, and we have this trailer on sale right now at $85.77 plus tax. Heavy duty 6-inch frame, triple tube tongue, V-nose front, diamond plate rock guard, 16-inch on center walls on this unit as well. This one here, again, two-tone exterior. You also have the nice, big, huge side door. I love these side doors. Gives you a great big opening. RV lock on that side door as well. Two 3,500-pound axles with brakes, of course. Radial tires, aluminum wheels. These are really cool wheels. Side vents. Let me show you guys the rear ramp door here. Of course, this is a spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close this rear ramp door. This trailer, even though it does have light axles, is still rated for cars. You do have about a 4,000-pound payload capacity with this unit, so if you guys have a small car, something lightweight, you can haul it in here, or just great for UTVs, toys, moving, whatever you guys are doing. RV lock gives you guys this lock, latch, and set of keys, which is a great feature. And then again, here's your huge side door. You've got an interior step coming into the trailer, and then full Drymax floor in here, which is a bonus. Drymax is essentially a waterproof product. It's engineered. It's a great product to use in trailers because you don't have to worry about pulling in wet razors or toys or cars or whatever, because you don't have to worry about it warping that wood floor like you'd find with your traditional wood trailer. One-piece aluminum roof, a couple of overhead lights, toggle switch is right there. Rear ramp door, again, has a huge transition flap on it. Great for cars. You also have a 3-inch dovetail at the rear, which means this trailer drops off 3 inches at the back. So that's going to give us about a 6'9" rear door opening. 4 D-rings already in the floor. Again, one-piece roof. I'm going to spin around here. You guys can see there's vinyl walls in here. Finishes the trailer out really nice. There's your front V-nose. And again, this is a 20 plus your V. Couple more D-rings up front here. And overall, an extremely nice unit at a great price. So again, this is just one of the units we have on sale for our spring sale. Give us a call, 303-688-8485, or you can check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com.